It's the first cold morning in the fall, and you're just about to start the fireplace when you think to yourself, when was the last time I had my chimney serviced? In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of annual chimney maintenance. As you can imagine, there are codes and standards related to fireplace and chimney safety. The National Fire Protection Agency Standard 211 clearly states that each fireplace and chimney should be inspected annually for structural soundness, for the presence of deposits, and to ensure that proper clearances are maintained. So what does all this mean? Maybe this is your first home and your first fireplace. Maybe you just use your fireplace a few times a year, or maybe you have a fire every day. Whatever the case is, we strongly recommend annual service and inspection for the protection of your family and for the protection of your home. Now, there are a number of reasons why we recommend an annual sweep and inspection. There are natural weather events that take place each year that may affect your chimney. There are bugs and critters that absolutely love your chimney as their home. Some of the home improvements you may have done can affect how your chimney and fireplace operate. Also, there's a natural aging process of your home that may affect your chimney and fireplace. Finally, Santa may have dropped his hat on his way out last year. Whatever the case might be, our team is ready to give you a full inspection and report on the health and condition of your chimney so that you can feel safe about burning your chimney this year. Alpha and Omega offers a wide variety of services for fireplace, chimneys, and dryer vent services. For more tips and tricks on how to maintain your fireplace, chimney, or dryer vent, please hit the subscribe button for future content. I'm Chimney Steve. Thanks for watching.